In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the People Filter method to search for files in Google Drive that have been shared outside your organization. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to keep track of data that may be moving beyond your internal networks, ensuring security and appropriate access. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to use this efficient method. First, begin by navigating to Drive, google.com, and log in with your Google account. This is your primary access point to all the files stored in your Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you have several views to choose from. For this method, you'll want to head over to one of these view options: My Drive, Shared Drives, Shared with Me, or Recent. Each of these perspectives offers a different way to look at your files, depending on how they've been categorized or shared within your organization. Next, look for the search options, often depicted as a funnel or filter icon in the search bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a filter drop-down menu. This tool is essential for refining your search and discovering files that meet specific criteria amongst potentially millions of entries. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to locate the filter labeled either as People or sometimes People or Groups. This is where the magic happens. Under this filter, you'll find an option titled External Users. By selecting External Users, you're instructing Google Drive to show you files and folders that have been shared with individuals outside of your organization. This is a crucial step for identifying which documents have been shared beyond your own domain's confines. Once you've selected this option, take a moment to review the resulting list of items. These are the files and folders that your domain has either shared externally or that have been shared with your domain from outside. It's a snapshot of your data flow crossing organizational borders, offering you a closer look at what's going beyond your internal network. From here, you're equipped to take further action. You can open each file or folder in the list to directly examine its contents and check its current sharing settings. If you find that a particular file is being shared too broadly or with someone it shouldn't be, this is also your opportunity to adjust permissions accordingly. You may decide to restrict access or remove external privileges to ensure the security and compliance of your organization's data. So, there you have it. You've learned how to effectively use the People Filter method to monitor external sharing in Google Drive, helping you to manage your organization's data with confidence and peace of mind. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on digital tools.